Group discussions have become an integral part, be it a student's life, be it somebody who is giving a company's interview, or somebody who is preparing for IAS, PCS, or any kind of entrance exam. So group discussions are the part of curriculum these days. Keeping this fact in mind, so today I have come up at StudyKosh to discuss with you how to start a group discussion. The topic that I have chosen to discuss with you, that is a very hot topic these days, which is Russia-Ukraine's war. So, taking this as the context, I'll be explaining you that how can you start a group discussion whenever you are participating in it. Let's start. First of all, whatever be the time of the day, be it morning, be it afternoon, or be it evening, you must wish and tell what you are going to discuss. As good morning, today we are going to discuss a very hot topic, that is Russia-Ukraine war. Then start with the facts, start with the overview. Since I'm talking about Russia-Ukraine war, what will I say? When did it start? So how will I proceed? Be attentive. This war started on February 24, 2022 and is still continuing. The results of this war till now are horrible. There is a huge loss of infrastructure to Ukraine. Thousands of people have lost their lives and many don't have a place to live. Many Western countries, including America, are condemning Russia for this act. But on the other side, many countries, including our country India, are still silent about this invasion. To clarify this, Russia defends its action by saying that America and the Western countries have been continuously provoking Russia by expanding NATO, which threatens its security. So today there are two main aspects to be discussed. First is what is the reason of this war, and second, its repercussions on the world. So this way, students, you can always start a group discussion or a GD. Today I took the topic of Russia-Ukraine war. So in that context, I have put a nice overview, including all the main points, that too in a flow. It should not be like picking A from here, Z from here, then H from here, not like this. It is like, first, we are discussing Russia-Ukraine war. Second, when did it start? What is the consequence of this war? And how are the other countries reacting to it? And the discussion will be taken ahead by the next people who are sitting in that group, following these 2 points. First, what is the reason? And second, what are its repercussions on the world? Keeping the flow of facts to be discussed in a nice, orderly manner. So stay tuned with StudyKosh. Subscribe to our social media channels for more such informative videos. And lastly, all the best to all the candidates who are preparing for the entrance exams. I hope this was helpful to you. Do let us know that how this video helped you.